My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Here, we celebrate Christmas year-round. Here, we share Christmas tours, Christmas lights, anything Christmas and winter related. I'm excited to have fellow Christmas and winter lovers here, and welcome to the Christmas Fair. The sad day has come when I must take down our family Christmas tree. This day always makes me a little bit sad every year when I have to take it down. I wish we could leave it up year round, but with kids and dogs, we need a little bit more space in the living room. But in today's video, we're going to be taking this down. It'll be time lapse for you, so it's not painstaking to watch. But we're going to take this one down, and then we're actually going to decorate a small tree that we keep up year round in my dining room. We have a small mini fridge in there, and it keeps like all the kids' drinks and stuff. And we're going to decorate that one for Valentine's Day. I do like to keep that one out year round. It's also a snow day today, so the kids are off, our workplaces are closed, and there's nothing to do and nowhere to go. So it's a good day to take care of this. And I also have brownies cooking in the oven. So it's a good day to take this down so I'm not rushed to be anywhere. And it's full of snow out. We've had like 14, 15 inches of snow. And I'm still in my pajamas because I didn't feel like changing today because I just moved from the bedroom to the kitchen and then into here. So that was my commute. But let me know when you guys take your Christmas trees down. I would love to know in the comments because some people leave it up until the day after Christmas, mid-January. Some people don't take them down at all. So I would love to know in the comments when you keep yours up until, and if you do any other holiday type trees. But I got to get to work and go check on my brownies. Okay, so we finally got all the ornaments in the bins. We have 7 bins total. And I switched to this method a couple years ago of using smaller bins. I used to have one big like storage tub, but they were breaking like crazy. So each of the kids have their own ornament boxes, and then my husband and I have one, and then we have like a miscellaneous one. I don't tend to label it because when we go to open our ornaments each Christmas, we kind of know whose ornaments are who. But this has been the best way that I've seen to store them and not have them break each year. Now we've moved on to our little Valentine's tree that's in our dining room. This is a tree that we keep up year round. It's about 2.5 to 3 feet tall. And I do try to be a little bit more minimal for other holidays. Christmas, obviously, I love, and we like to decorate the whole house. But as far as the other holidays go, I just like putting a couple touches of each holiday in the other rooms. But in the last 2 years, 2 to 3 years since we've moved back to New York State, I have really cut down on the home decor. I mean, I've been getting rid of bags and just many different things that I know doesn't serve a purpose anymore and just feels overwhelming to me. I am also planning a video of going through my decor closet again and downsizing just because I do feel overwhelmed sometimes with the amount of items, but I do like to keep a couple things just to keep a festive touch.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me to want you for my own? This Christmas, let the others miss us. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you are staying safe if you were hit by this snowstorm. Leave me a little storm emoji in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas.